Sarah from Qinggong Machinery. Now I'm in the workshop and I want to show you around our workshop. Let's go. Today is our load container day. This is the roller conveyor short blasting machine. And this type is the sandblasting room, painting both, and the hanger type short blasting machine production area. That including the customers, the sandblasting both, and in here that with the container sandblasting both. In here that is the well mesh belt short blasting machine. That is the same size for the one customer. And here that is the steel bar production line. That including the short blasting, painting, and driving. And here that is the big size well mesh belt blasting machine. That is for the stone and the power block. In here, that is another new unit, roller conveyor short blasting machine, but for this machine, that with the double backed elevator. The machine will loaded in the container we put in here and with the steel shot. Here, and this unit, that is the 2-unit big size hanger type short blasting machine. Each unit machine that with the 6-unit blast turbines, and we cut into 4 parts for the chamber that can into the standard container. Customers roller conveyor short blasting machine according to your workpiece size to design. So we can say this is the big size, and here is the small one. For this machine that with 2-unit turbine, but for this that with a 6-unit turbine. From this video, you can see we have many types and many different size short blasting machines. So let me know your workplace's information, then our engineer team will provide you the proposal. Bye.